Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In front of me I have AMAZFIT Cheetah 2 Pro, and today I'm going to show you some hidden tricks on this watch. So let's get started. So the first thing I want to show you is the palm to turn off the screen. Basically, you can place your palm of your hand on the screen to turn it off, and it's quite useful in some cases when you just want to check something quickly on your screen and then quickly turn it off. Another palm to do something feature is to palm to mute. So let's say you have the notification or somebody's calling you, or maybe alarm is going off. You can always place the palm of your hand to mute it, basically turn it off. And to do that, you need to enable this option. And to enable it, you need to wake up the screen, open the settings. So let's find the settings icon and tap on it. In settings, you need to go to the sound and vibration. And here, you should see this option, cover to mute. And if you enable it, you can place the palm of your hand during the notification call or something like that to mute it. And this also could be useful in some cases like meetings and stuff like that. Another hidden feature is the glove mode. It's hidden in the preferences menu. So if you go to settings, preferences, you'll see this glove mode. And what it does, it's quite interesting. It basically increases the sensitivity of the touchscreen on your watch. And that could be useful if you're wearing the gloves and you want to use your watch with gloves on, or maybe if you have screen protector on your watch and it kinda makes your screen not responsive or as responsive as it was before without the screen protection. You can always enable the glove mode, and hopefully that will solve your problems. I recommend to check it out. Okay. Another thing you can use, and it could be useful in some cases, is the lock touchscreen. Basically, you can lock the touchscreen on your watch, and this could be useful in some cases, like maybe if you're taking shower on with your watch on your wrist, maybe you're swimming with your watch on your wrist, and to lock the touchscreen, you can tap on this icon right here in the quick panel. So basically, you need to open the quick panel, find the lock icon, tap on it, tap on the press the upper button to confirm, and now the screen will be turned off. Like I said before, it could be useful for anything that requires water contact with your watch, like shower, swimming, and stuff like this, or maybe when you're sleeping, basically to prevent you from mistouching the screen. So I recommend also to check it out. And to disable the lock touchscreen, you need to press and hold the upper button until you see this animation saying unlock, and the screen should be back ready to use, basically. And another thing I want to show you is the flashlight. It's not really hidden, but it's also not in plain sight. To turn it on, you open the quick panel, tap on this icon, and here we have this flashlight on our watch. And it's quite bright for the flashlight for the watch, because it's not like a screen flashlight, so it doesn't make the screen go white. And that's the flashlight on most of the watches. It has like separate flashlight built in, which is quite nice. And you can increase or decrease the brightness of it. And it gets quite bright for the flashlight on the watch. And you can also turn on the red mode. I'm not sure what it is used for, but you can basically change the color of it as well. And to turn it off, you press the back button and tap on the icon like this. And the last thing I want to show you is the button shortcuts. Basically, you have the shortcuts on your buttons right here, and you can customize them. And to customize them, you can, of course, open the settings, go to preferences, and here find the shortcut buttons. And now we can scroll through the list of shortcuts. For example, we have long press select button, so this one. Press the select button, long press the down button, so this one. Double press the back button, so this one, and press the back button. And you can adjust it by tapping on one of the shortcuts, finding the function you want to use with it. So let's say I want to open the phone when I double press the back button. And now if I double press the back button, it will open the phone application for me. And you can customize it to your liking, make your watch more personalized, more convenient to use. So I recommend to check it. And that's about all. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.